How to transfer money from Wise to Wise. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Wise and how you're going to be able to transfer money from your Wise to your Wise. So to do this, simply come on Send Money. And once you come to Send Money, what you're going to do from here is you're going to go ahead and choose the exact amount you want to send. So let's say $100. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and click on Add Recipient. And once you click on Add Recipient, what you're going to do over here is you're going to click on Find on Wise. Now, what you're simply going to do is you're going to add their email or their Wise tag. So let's say I'm going to add the email for myself. And once we add the email, what's going to happen from here is it's going to find the recipient. Now, once the recipient is found, you can go ahead and add in their whole number and name and everything. And once all of that is done, you're basically going to go ahead and initiate the transfer to them. And that is how you can transfer money from Wise to Wise. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.